Okay, can't see. Ah. Yeah, it's just like a real nice community on YouTube at the moment. Lots of guys just jumping on their bikes, giving each other tips and advice. You can jump online and go, this is bent, this is broken, what do I do? And you all seem really helpful, and hopefully one day I'll be in a place where I can give back some knowledge to people as well. So I fixed this thing about 12 times. I just think the quality of the wire, obviously, because I got this microphone from the 99p shop on sort of a headset thing made for PC, and cut the shit out of it and stripped it and soldered it, and it's just such thin wire that eventually I think once you've worn it a few times the joints just snap. And man with a caravan with a very nice hat, looks like he murdered a raccoon. For while I'm learning, she'll do. Oh shit, I've just realised the camera's not even on my camera's not on my helmet, so if it's working still, hurrah! So I'm going to pull over somewhere, stick her back on. Whoops! So she's now dangling by the microphone lead and probably fucking it. Okay, about 3 cars are just going through red lights there. Let's see if we can find neutral and stick her back on. We have neutral. Well, it'll be interesting to see if any of that came out, and I can't actually see anything to check the angle of this thing.